Well, let's do a review of Save Club, what I've learned over the last 40, 50 days since I've joined as a member and an affiliate. And today marks day 17th, which is the 17th day, boom, of when we kick this bad boy off. So June 1st, remember, is when we said ready, set, go. 17 days later, this is where we are. And I'm a storyteller. I just tell you what I've experienced, how much money I've made, how many people I've signed up, and just show you some cool stuff on my screen, and then what I've learned over the live Zooms that our company does Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, if you miss them, don't worry about it. We record them. You can watch them anytime, but sometimes it's fun just to watch the live recordings, okay? While they're being recorded. So, what have we learned? Okay, well, first of all, I've learned that if I invite you to a couple links, my work is done. Because the beauty about Save Club, if you're an affiliate, $60, you got to be a member, which is $19.97. So let's just talk about the money. I love bringing up the money first, because if you don't have 80 bucks, then you know, okay, I want to save 80 so I can join as a member and affiliate, or maybe it's just not for you. You just want to be a member for 20 bucks a month and save on things you're already buying. But I like to talk to affiliates because I want you to earn money. And I want you to get back 60 bucks fast. Let's just sign up 3 people as quick as we can, and we get paid every Friday. And you get 20 to 32 bucks, depending on your rank, how big your team is. But yeah, the minimum you're going to make is 20 bucks. Each person, every single person. And with our comp plan, you can make money on your whole downline and team, depending on rank and how many people, and we can go over the comp plan later. Or, just watch the video. No one wants to really talk about the comp plan, the compensation plan. You want to watch videos. That way, if you're in, you're in. If you're out, delete the damn things, go on your way. And if you want to wait, just kind of hang out for a day or two, analyze things, do your research, watch my videos. I've made 300-400 videos already. I make 5 a day or more just with Save Club. I know it very well. I've had great success. Let's just go over some numbers. I've made about $1,000 a week is my average right now, cash. And I've saved over $900 on things that, yes, I had to buy tires, a mattress, some food, Sirius XM membership, a couple Walmart trips. I just noticed they added taco time, one of my favorite little taco places here in Utah. I think the savings is almost $3. So hell yeah, if I'm going to eat at taco time, I want to save money. Why not? That way I can get like high blood pressure, man boobs, and be giant and fat from eating tacos. And if I save money, I can eat even more tacos. And then I can go buy diabetes pills at Walmart or somewhere, okay? But anyway, I've had great success just keeping things light, keeping things fun, just offering you a link that I get from Save Club by paying $60. You got a full-blown website, customer support. You can just go there now. You don't have to join. support@saveclub.com. Go ahead and ask some good questions. They have to be technical, about marketing or whatnot. Don't ask them how the weather is in Vegas or what, I don't know what their favorite color is. But yeah, support@saveclub.com. Now watch, you smartasses will watch my video and say, hey, Cory said to write, how's the weather in Vegas and what's your favorite color? Bet everything on black. All right, that's what you do, right? So if I just go ahead and invite people to the official link of joinsaveclub.com. You can go to joinsaveclub.com too. I don't know what you'll get, but go to joinsaveclub.org. Okay, you can see the link right there. That's the official link. It'll take you to this page. Now, you get this page if you pay $60. This is what you're going to get. This is called a capture page, where basically for 6 minutes you can watch this YouTube video. It's hosted by our founder, Charles. And just listen to him. Nice guy. He'll tell you about the membership and the savings you can get with that $20 a month. Then on top of that, become an affiliate for $60. Holy crap, guys, you can earn money too. Fill out this form right below. Hit that orange button. You're going to get a video or an email from Save Club. Open it. And then, boom, you can join there, or you can watch more videos. I'll show you the back office, whatever you need, just email me. Okay, I'm not shy. I love making video. So if you want to go to joinsaveclub.org, you can see right there, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I've had that email almost 40 years. Get a hold of me. I'll make a video. If you have a question and I don't have a video made about it already, then yeah, go ahead. I'd love to help you guys out, especially if you want to be an affiliate. Because if you sign up in my group, of course, if you make money, so do I. So I want to show you how I just invite people to click a link, go to this page, and wham, bam. Okay, this is the back office. This is what it looks like when you join. You're going to set up your membership, either join by the month or the year. If you join by the year, you move up to VIP status and you make way greater commissions on doing the same thing. So join by the month, join by the year, totally up to you. Go to My Deals. This is the link where, as a member, you can go crazy. Search the world for deals. Put in your zip code here. Search whatever you're looking for. Auto repair, teeth, eyeballs, maybe new balls. I don't know. Put something in there and hit that search button. Now, this is what I'd like to show people. If you have a business and you want it inside the Save Club, go to the very bottom and right here it says Get Started. Are you a merchant and want to work with us? Well, hell yeah. If you got a kick-ass business, why not? Hit that Get Started button. And once again, go to the My Deals tab. When you log in, it's at the top or on the left here in the green. Okay. My Info. Go ahead and put your info in there, the order history. It'll show everything that you've bought. Right now, I bought a year membership. My team, I got a big team already. I've already signed up over 100 people. Check this out. Look, I think I'm number 7. There I am right there. Look at that. I got 102 people already signed up, and I'll show you exactly what I do. There's really no secret. I keep it fun, and I invite people to a link. That's the best part about Save Club. Click, watch video. If you don't want to do nothing, adios. If you want to join later, maybe save the link to whatever. In my case, go to joinsaveclub.org. And yeah, if you want to join, then go ahead and fill out that form right here and hit that orange button and open up the good old Save Club email and let's get you rocking. I think you're going to have a good time saving and then earning money too. You can see with my techniques, I've signed up about 16, 17 people. Look at that. A couple weeks ago, I had 9 people sign up, 10, 11, 12, 13. Today, I have 1 or 2 people joining today. They just confirm with me when they get off work. So this number right here should be a 1 or a 2. And how awesome is that to sign up almost 20 people just by keeping things kind of fun? Now, remember this, when you join, boom, right there, the training tab. Watch this little video. And here's marketing material. When you hit that little orange button, you have free pictures, tons of free video, all ready to use. Upload it to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, however you'd like. It's done for you. You just got to put your own link, which you'll get when you pay the $60 to be an affiliate. Now you can download right here just to print out the compensation plan, or do what I do. Just invite people, watch this video. And if you're logged in, hit the red button. Do you see where it says share right here underneath me? Click it, and do you see this button already highlighted? Just hit right click and copy and then send that link to people. Today I did it to 3 or 4 people because they just want to know what's the compensation plan. I sure in the hell am not going to bore people to death by telling people about the I call it the constipation plan. Nothing's a bigger pain in the ass than trying to explain the compensation plan, okay? So don't do so. Just go to your training, open up marketing materials, and there are so many pictures. Look at how many. Do you see all these links right here? When you click any one of them, it opens up hundreds of pictures and videos. You just right-click, download them, upload them, do whatever you want. I recommend opening up every one of these tabs. And do you see these little black buttons off to the right of your screen? Click it once, and do you see? Oh, whoop, I'm in the way. Let me do it again. Okay, boom. Do you see where it says download? Click download on every one of these files. And guess what? It'll download on your home computer or your cell phone under your download folder all of the content. So that way you own it all now. It's all included for $60. How cool is that? And then, yeah, every day post on social media, TikTok, Instagram, X, Twitter, go to Craigslist, make business cards, upload anything and everything because it's waiting. If you post more than other people, and trust me, 9 out of 10 people that are affiliates, they're going to get bored and they're going to quit posting and they're just going to focus on the membership side. We need more affiliates because we have thousands of people a day signing up. We need people to come up with $60. Once the 3 people sign up, you're going to have your 60 back. Okay, I want you to be an affiliate, and if you're watching my videos, especially after 10 minutes here, I'm pretty sure you want to be an affiliate and earn money. So just remember, go into the marketing material, well, the training tab. You can see it right there on the left. Go ahead and open up this folder. And then boom, every single one of these, go ahead and hit that little black buttons there and go ahead and download and own everything. Now you can still go online and open up and just cut, paste, and do whatever you got to do to copy. And remember this, we have training material on how to upload to almost every single social media platform you can imagine. Okay, so when you hit the training link, do you see this? How to post on Twitter or X, how to find Facebook groups, how to post on LinkedIn, how to post on Facebook, Facebook training. Okay, look at this, how to post on Instagram. Every one of these, you can hit the black buttons over here, download, print out, or just go to your computer if you're traveling on the bus, or if you have an hour or two, which you always do after work or before work or on the weekends, study how to do stuff. We've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, probably thousands of pictures at this point, and video. Video is so effective, guys. I've made a pile of money. If I told you how much money I've made in the last 2 years by doing just videos like what you're watching, it's embarrassing. I want you to have the same results as me. Use video, use pictures, and don't get bored. Please don't give up on posting stuff. If you don't make $1 million the first month, don't cry and just go, damn it, this is bullcrap. Make it fun. I'm telling you straight up, if you have a couple minutes or a couple hours, I always, I'm busy. I'm not looking to retire. If I retired, I'd go crazy. I love working. And when I make money like this, I don't even consider it work. But when you go to joinsaveclub.org and just watch the video of Charles talking, go ahead and get that email after you fill out the information there, hit that little orange button. Okay, you don't have to join, but if you do, I think you're going to really enjoy saving money on things you're already buying. And then with simple techniques that we can show you, you're inviting people to watch something that saves them money and can earn them money. I wish it was more complicated and more fancy, but it's not. This is not a cash run. You're not going to make $1 billion and run to the next opportunity. But does this generate people all over the world to join? Yes, because it's affordable. It's $19.97 a month, $60. You got a full-blown website. Okay, now let me end the video. SaveClubFunnels.com. If you've already joined Save Club under someone else, don't worry about it. But look at the Save Club funnels. That funnel is badass. Go ahead and click that link. Watch the 20-minute video. And I want you to think about spending $25 to get that funnel. Because right now I've signed up about 60, 70 people by using the new funnel. It's the only funnel. The funnel you can send paid traffic to if you want to, because you can't send it to the little funnel system, the capture page that you get with Save Club. So if you're going to pay for traffic, the funnel can weed out all the bots and the spam and the bullcrap. Okay? But it's up to you on where you buy your paid traffic if you're going to do so. Just make sure that it's a legit company. Do your research there. But get that darn funnel system. That way you can join a team, 2 teams, private invite only to both of our teams. And guess what? We monopolize the leaderboard. Our teams, with an S, we have 2 teams. I think we make up 80% of the leaderboard, and I'm number 7 in the world right now. I'll do everything I can to help you. Because if you make money, so do I. And the more people that sign up with Save Club, guess what? When we have millions of people, 5 to 10 million people just signed up over the next couple of years, all the deals are going to be even cheaper that are inside the membership. We're already beating Groupon, Priceline, and Orbitz. Because every time you go ahead and check something out in the back office, like hotels, travel, dental, we're even going to have savings on diesel and gasoline. And I use both because I love driving. This is a worldwide endeavor where you can make money instead of Kim Kardashian, sports figures, actors, influencers. This is a worldwide savings club that'll have 5 to 10 million people, and us affiliates like you, we're going to get paid instead of all the fancy schmancy people. It's the only Save Club of its kind that has an affiliate division, and we're only 17 days old. If you're watching me right now, you know how lucky I think you are. Because normally you see my video 1 or 2 or 3 years after the official Ready, Set, Go. We just gave birth to this little bastage about 17 days ago, because today's the 17th of June. We kicked off June 1st of 2025. So far so good. We're signing up thousands of people a day, and we don't have that many affiliates because most people join to just be members. $60. Invite people to links you're going to get, and don't do anything else. Do zero. Please don't do anything else, because the videos and the funnel system take over from there. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for 15 minutes of your time. Right here, joinsaveclub.org, saveclubfunnels.com, Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can see my email. And please, anytime, please write me with questions. I love it. I learn a lot from your questions. I'll even get a hold of support for you at Save Club, and I'll definitely make a video if I can help you as well. I don't want you stuck, but I want you to look into that funnel system. I don't want you signing under one person and then they disappear. You need to be in a team. And our team is the biggest by far. No one's ever going to surpass the team that I can provide you. There's no way. We have every leader in Save Club in it right now at this point. And boy, are we making pictures and videos and Zoom training and support worldwide when it's 3 a.m. here. Everyone's in bed. It's 3 p.m. probably in Australia. And they're way ahead over in Asia. They're 15 hours ahead of me in Salt Lake City. But it don't matter. This is a worldwide thing, 24 hours a day. Let's make you some money 24 hours a day. Let's save you money 24 hours a day on things you're already buying anyway. Okay? All right, guys, you have $80? Let's do it. $79.97 to be exact. And if you've already joined or you think you might get stuck, which just admit it, get that $25 funnel. Okay? Just get all three. Get everything. It's about $105. You guys will figure it out. I showed you the links. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you guys keep in touch anytime, okay? Thank you for the last 17 minutes. I sure appreciate it. You guys have a good day. Take care, guys.